Welcome to our channel. Today, we have breaking news on a significant development in South Africa's political landscape. This week, a government of national unity was established between the African National Congress, the Democratic Alliance, the Inkatha Freedom Party, and other smaller factions. Additionally, Chief Justice Raymond Zondo administered the oath of office to 400 members of parliament. ANC's Thoko Didiza has been officially appointed as the Speaker of Parliament for the 7th administration. Democratic Alliance's Annelie Lotriet has been elected as the Deputy Speaker. The former Minister of Agriculture, Land Reform and Rural Development won the position by defeating EFF MP Veronica Mente. Furthermore, the UDM's Nqabayomzi, Kwankwa, nominated the EFF's Julius Malema for the presidency. As expected, ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa was nominated for the presidency by both the IFP and the ANC. Ramaphosa was also anticipated to secure a second term as president, with the Democratic Alliance committing to vote for him as part of the agreement with the ANC to form a unity government. Unsurprisingly, Cyril Ramaphosa was re-elected president for another term. Let's explore what this means for the country and the potential benefits for all South Africans. First, let's define a coalition government. A coalition government is formed when multiple political parties come together to create a majority in the legislature, often seen in parliamentary systems where no single party has an outright majority. Coalition governments are typically formed out of necessity to ensure stability and pass legislation. In contrast, a government of national unity is a broader concept. It includes representatives from across the political spectrum, beyond just those necessary for a legislative majority. The goal is to foster inclusive governance, especially in times of national crisis or significant political upheaval. Within the ANC, Ramaphosa faced divisions from within, with some factions supporting his leadership, while others were critical, particularly regarding economic challenges, corruption scandals, and policy implementation. These internal dynamics had prompted suggestions for a unity government to stabilize leadership and present a united front. Public sentiment in South Africa has been critical of the current state of governance. Issues like unemployment, crime, and service delivery failures have led to widespread dissatisfaction. A government of national unity is seen by many as a solution to bring diverse perspectives and expertise to address these pressing issues. Economically, South Africa has been facing slow growth, high unemployment rates, and significant inequality. The COVID-19 pandemic has only exacerbated these problems. This new government aims to drive comprehensive and united efforts for economic recovery. Corruption and accountability have been major issues. High-profile corruption cases and ongoing investigations have marred the political landscape. This government of national unity could strengthen anti-corruption measures by bringing in leaders from different political backgrounds committed to transparency. This government of national unity marks a new chapter for South Africa. It represents a united effort to overcome economic, racial, and social challenges, fostering a brighter future for all South Africans. Together, we can build a more prosperous, equitable, and harmonious nation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on South African politics and global news. See you next time.